Hey guys, Steve here. Well, I got another video today and it's on a great Aussie product that I've been looking at for a while. I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I'm hoping to actually get one and give it a test out. But what I thought I'd do today is just show you this product and show you how all the components, what you get with it, and how you may use it. I'm not going to do a review and say, you know, I've used it or anything like that, because I haven't. But it really interests me. I've just been talking to the owner of the company about it, and I think I'm probably going to get one and have a bit of a cook up with it and test it out for a while, because it's really intriguing. I seen these a long time ago on another YouTuber, Mr. Buckaroony, and a mate of mine, Jason from Crazy Dog Canvas, who you know about on my channel, he's got one, but I'd never had the chance to see one, and now I've seen it. I think I'm going to get one and show you all about it. So I'll just show you over here before we head over and look at the product. Have a look at this over here, guys. Now this one here, this is not for sale and they don't make them. This is a one-off. They've made this. We're actually at a camping get-together with Mr. Buckaroony, and they built this one especially for the camp up. They're going to cook up a big bit of feed in here. This is, I think it's about 3 times the size or something of the normal one. They're not making them to sell or anything like that. This is just a one-off for this event. He may take it to other camping events and use it and things like that. But look at the size of it. Wouldn't that be good? Imagine having that in your backyard. You'd need a big, you'd need one of those Dodge Rams to tow it around though, wouldn't you? So up the back here, they've got a couple of Campqubes set up on the tables over there underneath the marquees up there. We're going to go and have a look at them now, eh? Cheers guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll go up and have a look at these Campqubes, eh? Cheers. Okay guys, we've come up underneath their marquee, and I thought I'd start over here and just show you what you actually get. So this bag here that this whole kit comes in, it's basically just a milk crate bag. So it's the size of a milk crate. If you had a milk crate, you could fit it inside this bag. So if you know what a milk crate looks like, you're going to know the size of this product and the bag that it'll fit in. When I first seen this product, I didn't realise, I did sort of know what a milk crate bag was like, but I just thought maybe they made a bigger one or whatever, and it was a little bit bigger than what I imagined, but it's not. It is actually just the size of a normal milk crate, and you get everything in it. You get like the little lifter for lifting up everything. Oh well, you don't get everything in it. There's a few different packs. I'll tell you a little bit about them. There's a few different sort of options you can buy. They range in price, but you get gloves, you get a hot plate, and you get the Campqube. We'll go over here and we'll just have a look. Now these ones here, over here, they actually have got an anodised coating on them just for this show. These are his show models. They do come in basically just a steel format, and you have to season them up, put a bit of oil on them to keep them in their condition. The one we were down there standing in front of, that belongs to Mr. Buckaroony. He's had that for 8 months or so. Still looks, you know, pretty good, so no rust or anything. As long as you look after the product, it'll look after you. But he's got a few different kits you can buy. There's a base kit, which is basically this one over here. You get the fire pit, the barbecue plate, the stainless steel side racks, and you get the little hook for picking things up, and you get a set of gloves. So, how fantastic is that? Like a little barbecue plate that you can cook a bit of a feed up if you're travelling. And the good thing about these two, I was just talking to the owner about, when he travelled around Australia, he just wanted something that he could use with his camp oven, something that was quick and easy to put out, something that didn't take up a big footprint, and something that doesn't burn a lot of wood. You know, when you're out travelling and exploring, that's one of the hardest things to cart around, is a bit of wood. You get out in the forest and you dig around, find a bit of wood. But with these here, you can put a small amount of wood in there and fill them up, and you're not burning a lot of wood, so you're saving yourself a little bit of time there. There is other ones. There's an Explorer pack. You get the stainless steel side pieces. You can also, they've got pre-drilled fittings in here if you want to put like an electric rotisserie or something on it. They've already got those in there. But the sort of everything. It's got a little bit of a warning nameplate on there just for safety's sake. But they're really well designed. They're light. Legs all fold up underneath each other. Everything fits inside them. So I reckon I'm going to get one, and I'm going to test it out. I'm going to maybe test it out for 6 months or something like that, and then give you a review on it and tell you what I really think. But at the moment, seeing these in person, I reckon they're a great product, and they are all Aussie made too, so you're helping out an Aussie bloke having a go. And he has actually tested this himself numerous times in the field. He said, but don't take his word for it. Look around and you'll see plenty of reviews, and that you'll see a few reviews online, likes of Mr. Buckaroony, and I'm sure they're going to be fantastic. I'm excited to actually do a bit of cooking on them. So I just thought I'd show you those today. Thanks very much for watching. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below. And I'll also leave a link to Campqube in the description so that you can check out their website and have a look at them. So cheers guys. Thanks. Hey guys, well, welcome back. Well, I couldn't leave that camping event without buying one of these. It got the better of me. I was really excited to look at it. And when I did, like I was saying in the previous clip there, I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy one, and I did. I actually got the complete kit. I've got the fire pit, I've got the windshield, the pizza ovens, all the hot plates. This is the main kit. You get the basic kit in here. So I'm going to open her up to show you what's in here. It says Explorer Pack, includes camp oven in this one. So let's open her up, let's have a look and have a really good look at the product. I have to get it all seasoned, so I might show you a little bit of that, heating it all up and what you got to do. But let's rip into it, eh? Now, we're actually out camping at a different spot. I've been here for a couple of days. I'm going to show you around this place. Absolutely fantastic. On the it was only 40 minutes, but might be a little bit of a secret spot actually. You might be able to guess where it is, but if you want to know where it is, send me a message, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll show you where it is, eh? So in the box here, I should grab the camera, shouldn't I, and show you in top here. I might do that. So have a look in there. That's what you got in the top there when you first get. So let's get started. There's some instructions in there, all that sort of thing. Looks like some gloves. These things here are the rotisserie connection pieces. I know what they are. That's so if you go buy one of those little gas mate ones you get from Big W or that, they're all the bolts and what you need to fit it up. You also get a really good set of gloves there. How good do they look, eh? So you get a set of gloves. So you got a little welcome pack. You got a operation manual. You can scan that with your phone. You got the Aussie made logo on there. How good's that? So we better not lose that. We'll put that underneath there. So you got one of the little side wings that go on it. You got the little hooky thing for lifting up all your hot plates and everything like that with a little wing nut on so you can extend it. We'll show you more about that. So you get the bag in there. Now this bag here is made by a local company, Crazy Dog Canvas. They actually make my rooftop tent there, so you'll know all about those if you watch my channel and you subscribe. So you throw that aside. It's packed really well, I've noticed. Like, have a look at this. There's a bit of felt there. Now that's probably to go in the bottom of the bag. And on the top here you can read, please wash in warm soapy water before use. Now the reason they do that, they put an oil coating over it to protect it if it's sort of sitting around in the factory or whatever, so that it doesn't go rusty. But that's your hot plate in there. So what I might do, I'm going to set this camera back up over here now, otherwise it's going to be really awkward to try and pull it out and show you at the same time. So as I pull the bits out, I'll put them aside, eh? So, the full hot plate. This will bloody be good for cooking up bacon and eggs, I tell you. It's as good as any barbecue you'll have at home. Have a look at that. All fully welded, really nicely done. Like I said, the guy that does this, he's a great young bloke. I think they're only about 29, and they have started this business up. They have other jobs, and this is a sideline. They're trying to make this bigger so they can give their other jobs up. But they've travelled around Australia And this is what the idea they've come up with the product itself. So throw that away there. We'll try and put this somewhere where it's not going to blow away. I might throw it in a rubbish bin. Okay guys, let's pull the next piece out. So the next piece is actually the camp oven. Have a look at that, nicely wrapped up. Got the Australian made logo on the front there. So these are Aussie made. I have another one that's Aussie made. It's actually made by Hillbilly Campqube, but this one here is a little bit different, a little bit smaller, so it fits in the actual fire pit itself. But really looking forward to showing you this. I reckon it's going to be fantastic. So we'll just put that aside. Now the last piece in here is actually the fire pit itself. Well, I think it is. I've never opened one of these, so how would I know? But let's pull that out. Throw that box aside, we'll burn that later. Have a look at this. Oh man, nothing like getting something new, eh? So here it is here. The Campqube. We'll tuck that away over there. We don't want it blowing all over the place. But have a look at this. Pretty easy to set up. Just fold the legs out. And there it goes. How good is that? So we've got the fire pit there. You've got the side rack here, which just clips into somewhere here. I have no idea. I'm doing this on the fly. I haven't used one, so I don't really know. But I'm pretty sure that goes in there and that clips into those holes there. So let's have a look. Yep, they go in there. That goes on there, so you've got a little workbench on the side there. Your barbecue plate on there. I've got a half plate for this. I've got a few other pieces. So what I might do, rather than unboxing all of those, I just thought I'd do the unboxing on the main unit itself. So, like I said, camp oven, hot plate, the hook for pulling the camp oven out. And while I'm speaking of that, I should actually just show you this camp oven. So I've cut all the straps off. Let's have a look at it, eh? So seasoning the camp oven. Yeah, so there's instructions in here for how to season the camp oven. I won't read through them all. It's basically just coating the door, wiping it out, and repeating it if necessary. So here's your lid of your camp oven. I think this is like a 10-inch camp oven for memory. But the good thing about this, you can use this for cooking on top if you want. But this little hook thing here, it clips underneath these handles, and that's how you use that. So you can pick the lid of the camp oven up with that, and they fold in each side of the camp oven, so you can just grab hold of these and pick that lid up. So how good's that? Really well designed. And then inside there you've got your base trivet for the bottom of the camp oven, and then the camp oven itself. So we'll just pull that out. Really well packed, isn't it? So like I said, this is all Aussie made. Now these handles on this, as you can see, you can slide that in there and pick this camp oven up really easy with this little hook. Makes it really easy, picks it up, really easy to sort of move it around in your wherever you're using it. So what we've got to do now, get all this seasoned, get the hot plate seasoned, get the camp oven seasoned. That's about it. You don't have to worry about the actual fire pit itself. Just make sure you keep an eye on it. If it needs oiling, it's only steel. You can't make them out of stainless steel. But in this Explorers pack that I got, large hot plate, the actual camp oven itself, or the Campqube, the camp oven, the trivet, the little side piece for sitting your utensils, your gloves, your hook, your Aussie made Crazy Dog canvas bag, putting it all in, so it all packs in that bag. Everything you see here will pack inside that bag, and it's only the size of a milk crate. How good's that? I think it's 17.5 kilos in weight. So fantastic product, all Aussie made. You're helping a couple of lovely people. They're only 29, like I said. They're making a business out of this. They're hoping to make it like a full-time thing, but at the moment they're still working and this is a part-time job for them. But if you can support this company, I'll leave a link in the description so you can check them out. But thanks very much for watching. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, just leave them down below and I'll get back to you. But I'm going to go season this all up now, get it all ready to use. That'll be the next video I'll show you. Cheers guys, stay safe, be kind to each other, and I'll see you on the next one. There we go, timber!